Hello everyone, welcome to my AR Pharma YouTube channel. After watching my video, please like, share and subscribe also.
Discuss some important MCQ in pharmacology for the pharmacy for their upcoming exam. Question first: dash dash drug is used in the first line treatment of all types of seizure. Options are valproic acid, phenytoin, phenobarbital and ethosuximide. Correct option is valproic acid. Other options are alternative drugs for all types of seizure, but valproic acid is common in all types of seizure. Question second: aspirin reduce body temperature by acting on. Options are hypothalamus, prostaglandin, liver and pituitary gland. Correct answer is hypothalamus, which is a temperature regulator center present in our brain. Third question is dash dash are the agent used in the treatment of hypertension. Options are antihypertensive, hypoglycemic, analgesic and painkillers. Correct answer is antihypertensive. These are the agent used in the treatment of hypertension. Other options are hypoglycemic, which reduces blood sugars. Analgesic and painkillers are the synonyms of each other. Fourth question is the route by which a drug administered through ear canal. Options are oral, buccal and sublingual, but correct answer is oral route, in which drug directly administered through the ear. Fifth question: the study in which ADME of drug studied called as options are pharmaceutics, pharmacokinetics, pharmacodynamics and pharmacology, but correct answer is pharmacokinetics. It is the branch in which we study the absorption, distribution, metabolism and elimination of drug. Question number 6: which of the following parenteral route having 100% bioavailability? Options are intramuscular, intravenous, subcutaneous and intradermal, but correct answer is intravenous. In this, the drug directly reach into the systemic circulation, that is blood circulation, so drug having 100% bioavailability. Question number 7: dash dash drug is contraindicated in liver damage. Options are aspirin, heparin, alcohol and none, but correct answer is alcohol. It is contraindicated in liver damage. Alcohol is responsible for the liver failure. Other drugs are aspirin or heparin. Heparin is a simply anticoagulant and aspirin is a NSAIDs. Question number 8: which of the following drug is called as catecholamine? Options are epinephrine, norepinephrine, dopamine and all, but correct answer is all. Epinephrine and norepinephrine dopamine simply collectively called as catecholamine, so the correct answer is all. Question number 9: dash dash antidote is used in the organophosphate poisoning. Options are ephedrine, acetylcholine, methacholine and atropine. Correct answer is atropine, which is used in the treatment of organophosphate poisoning. Ephedrine and methacholine. Ephedrine is simply CNS stimulant. Methacholine is non-selective muscarinic receptor agonist and acetylcholine is neurotransmitter. Question number 10: which of the following drugs having teratogenic effect? Options are thalidomide, alcohol, cocaine and all, but correct answer is all. Teratogenic effects mean the drugs which are contraindicated in pregnancy, which is harmful for developing baby. Which of the following drug shows effect like euphoria? Options are morphine, caffeine, paracetamol, propranolol. Correct answer is morphine. Question number 12: a dose of drug which produces a stated effect in 50% of individual within the population is called as high dose, median dose, effective dose, lethal dose. Correct answer is median dose. The dose at which stated 50% of positive response of that particular drug. Question number 13. Meiosis means options are constriction of pupil, dilation of pupil, both, none. Correct answer is constriction of pupil is the medical condition in which pupils in the eyes are constricted. Question number 14. Drugs used in myasthenia gravis. Options are pilocarpine, neostigmine, physostigmine, meperamine. But the correct answer is neostigmine. Other physostigmine is a reversible cholinesterase inhibitor. Pilocarpine is a cholinergic agonist. Meperamine is a first generation antihistamine drug. Question number 15. Dash are the drug substances that are used to the proper formation of components of blood. Options are hematinic, coagulants, plasma expander, cardiotonics. Correct answer is hematinics are the substances or simply drugs which is used for the formation of components of blood. Other options, coagulant, simply used for the coagulation of blood. Plasma expander, these are the drug substances used for the restore vascular volume, means in condition of electrolyte replacement. And simply cardiotonics means we stimulate the cardiac activity. Question number 16. Example of first generation antihistamine. Options are chlorpheniramine, 5-HT, folic acid, retinol. Correct answer is chlorpheniramine, which is the first generation antihistamine. Other options, 5-HT means 5-hydroxytryptamine, which is a synonym of serotonin. Folic acid is the used for the treatment of anemia. Retinol is simply vitamin A. Question number 17. Which of the following drug is example of bugonides? Options are glipizide, glimepiride, glyburide and metformin. Correct answer is metformin. Other three are the sulfonylureas, which are anti-hypoglycemic agent. Question number 18. Is the medical condition in which damage the optic nerve which leads to the blood vision loss? Options are glaucoma, asthma, malaria, diabetes. But the correct answer is glaucoma, in which the optic nerve is damaged which leads to the vision loss or blindness. Other condition as asthma, it is a respiratory disorder. Malaria is an infectious disease. Diabetes is a endocrine disorder. Question number 19. Potassium sparing diuretics include. This means simply example of potassium sparing diuretic. Options are spironolactone, trimetrin, amiloride, bumetanide. But the correct answer is spironolactone. Question number 20. Example of proton pump inhibitor. Options are omeprazole, cimetidine, ranitidine, nizatidine. But the correct answer is omeprazole. Other three are antihistamine, that is H2 receptor blockers or inhibitor drug. Question number 21. A drug is classified by all type of following method except. Options are clinical use, route of administration, mechanism of action, manufacturer. But the correct answer is manufacturer. Other three are the drugs classification route. Question number 22. Dash is the branch of science that helps to understand the harmful effect of chemical substances. Options are pharmacology, toxicology, etiology, oncology. But the correct answer is toxicology, in which we study the adverse effect or adverse events of that particular drug. Pharmacology means we study the drugs and their pharmacological actions. Etiology means we study the causes, and oncology means we study the cancerous cells of that particular type. Question number 23. Which one of the following is alkylating anti-cancer drug? Options are